Here is a wonderful 2016 BMW 750i. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, dual zone AC, heated front seat, Wi-Fi hotspot. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.